In this video, I'm going to show you how to add end screen to your videos. Adding an end screen to your video is one of the most effective way to direct viewers to watch more of your videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing is to open your browser. So open any browser you are using. Once you open your browser, you search studioyoutube.com. You click on it. Make sure your phone is on desktop size. Then you click on this first one, this YouTube Studio. Click on it. It will take you to your channel dashboard. Once it's open, by the left hand side, you see these three lines very close to where they write studio here. Before your profile, you just click on that three lines. You see content. After dashboard, you see content. You click on content. So these are all the videos you've uploaded. So you look for the one you want to add end screen to. So let me choose this one. When you click on it, you just draw it a little to the side. You see end screen here. You just click on the end screen. So you can choose from here. You can either choose two videos, you can choose one video and one subscribe. You can choose one's playlist and one subscribe. So any one you want from here, you can just choose. So I will choose two videos. I'll just click on this one. So the two videos have been added, as you can see. So you can use your hand to position the videos very well so that they will not overlap the main video. You can use your hand to just reshape them. If you want to choose a specific video, you can just choose on this specific video here. If you have any specific one you want to add to the screen, you just choose on this specific. It will direct you to where your videos are and then you choose from there. So that is how to go about it. Once you've added the video, you just click save. I don't know why this save is not showing very well, but if you look up here after discard changes, you see save by the side, but it's not showing. I don't know why it's not showing. So you just click on the save here. So let me manage to click on it. You just click on the save here. Okay, so it's saved now. So this is how to go about it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.